After that, this relation that you have to keep in mind, E is equal to V by D. So V comes out to be E into D. D is the space between that plate and E is the electric field, V is the potential. So from 1 and 2 we put the value of equation 1 in equation 2. E की value इसमें equation में put करेंगे, V is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A into D. And there is a one more important relation that we discussed, capacitance is equal to charge upon potential. तो हम इसमें अब what we did, so we put the value of V from this equation to in this equation. C comes out to Q upon Q into D upon E epsilon naught into A. So this relation comes out to be the final result. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So this is the result when the nothing is placed between the two parallel plate. And the next is the capacitance of a parallel plate when dielectric plate is placed. एक dielectric plate whose thickness is D and the distance between that two plates are same, that is a D. In that case relation comes out to be C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T in bracket 1 minus 1 by K. D is the distance between two plate and T is the thickness of dielectric plate, and K that we have discussed in the previous lecture, that is dielectric constant, electric field, net electric field upon the reduced electric field. And after that, grouping of the capacitor, it can be done in two manners, in series and parallel, when one positive end of the capacitor is connected to the battery and the negative end of the first capacitor is connected to the positive end of the second capacitor, and the negative end of the second capacitor is connected to the positive end of the third capacitor, and negative end of the third capacitor is earth. So V1, V2, V3 and C1, C2, C3 are potential and capacitor of each capacitor. V is the total potential. So in this case series, V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, V3 is equal to Q by C3, V is equal to QCS. This is the total voltage, that is equal to total charge upon total capacitance. Total जो potential in the case of series, that is sum of the potential होता है, that we know, V1 plus V2 plus V3. So we put the value of V1, V2, V3 and V from these four equations. What we get, Q upon CS is equal to Q in bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So this relation comes out to be 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. This is the generalized result when the capacitors are in series. If there are more, 1 by C4, 1 by Cn, more 3 capacitors are there. Parallel, if the positive end of the capacitor and negative end of the capacitor are connected to the common terminal, and in that case the positive end is connected to the battery and negative end is connected to the earthing. So in that case the potential remains same for each capacitor, but charge here goes to different. That means Q1, Q2, Q3 are the charges for the capacitor 1, 2, 3. C1, C2, 3 are the capacitance. So charge here potential V is equal to Q by Cs, but here Q is equal to Cp by V. So that is the total charge. Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. So these are the individual charge of the each capacitor. We put the value from there. In this equation, Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 from these four equations. So CPV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. We take V constant from left and right hand side. CP comes out to be C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is the generalized result when the capacitor in parallel. Next, energy stored of a capacitor, the work done. What is the energy? Let's say if I say an object is moved, object is moved from the down to upward. In that case, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या वर्क डन किया जाएगा इस हाइट पे जाने के लिए, तो वो उसकी एनर्जी की फॉर्म में स्टोर हो जाएगा. दैट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. सिमिलरली केस विद द कैपेसिटर, द वर्क डन इज द चार्जिंग ऑफ कैपेसिटर. वर्क डन क्या है? कैपेसिटर की चार्जिंग विल बी. जब हम किसी कैपेसिटर को चार्ज करते हैं तो वो जो हम वर्क डन करेंगे उसको चार्ज करने में विल बी स्टोर्ड एज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. कंसेप्ट सेम है. दो प्लेट्स हैं, वन इज कनेक्टेड टू द बैटरी, इधर पॉजिटिव है इधर नेगेटिव है, एंड अदर वन इज अर्थिंग. हियर दैट वर्क डन, एज वी नो वर्क डन और पोटेंशियल में क्या रिलेशन है? V इज इक्वल टू W बाई Q और W इज इक्वल टू V इंटू Q. ओके, सो अगर हमने स्मॉल चार्ज किया है उस कैपेसिटर को तो स्मॉल वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा. DQ लेट से स्मॉल वर्क डन किया है तो स्मॉल आपका वर्क डन होगा अगर स्मॉल चार्ज दिया है. सिमिलरली dW is equal to V into dQ from this relation. Okay, small work done in charging a capacitor. So as we know V is equal to Q by C होता है. So put 2 into equation 1, V की वैल्यू जो है